Here's a quick beginner's guide to use Facebook. Well, you can install the application from your Play Store or App Store. If you want to know how you can sign up or sign in, let me show you right away. You'll get an interface somewhat like this. Tap on create new account, enter in here. If you already have an account, select already have account. If not, create new account. Then enter in your first name, last name, tap on next. It'll ask you for your age, your birth date, your phone number. You want to go through such prompts and you want to log in. It's pretty simple and easy. Now, once you have done so, the next step is setting up your profile, right? You can always tap on your profile icon and head over to the profile and you'll be able to see your profile. From here, you can see the add to story option. You can tap on edit profile and you can edit your profile. You can edit your profile picture, you can edit your avatar, cover photo, bio and other details here. You can select details which you want to pop it up by tapping on whether you want to show it on your profile. You want to tap on it and then save it. Now, as you can see the highlights section here as well, you can use the highlights option and you can add links by tapping on edit and then adding the links here. You can also directly update profile picture or cover picture by tapping on them on your profile. If you want any other account settings, you want to head over to menu icon from their settings. Once under settings and privacy, you can see the account center where you can edit your personal details, password and security and such. You can see various other options for tools and reference sources, preferences, audience and visibility here. Basically all the settings in one place. You can see the friends tab to see your friend request or people you may know. You can see the marketplace, which is the latest feature where you'll be able to see items that has been listed on market. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.